Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In tonight's video, we're going to be discussing GEVO, ticker symbol GEVO, and the crazy day that it had today, up over 72%, hit over 11 bucks on the day, guys. That was just wild. So I want to just go over the charts of what I'm seeing moving forward, as well as a couple of other plays that we discussed on Sunday night's stock pick video. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, not telling you to buy this stock. Just wanted to provide some insight, my personal opinion on these stocks moving forward. So it's going to be short, sweet, and to the point. And if you get any value out of this video, please hit the like button. If you enjoy our content, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release a new video. So other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. All right, guys, so GEVO went berserk today. Okay, hit a high of 1168 and had a lot of volume, guys. As you can see here, our volume bar was huge. We did kind of lose steam towards the end, but I can see this stock continuously moving up. But one thing I want to show you is we are in overvalued territory, and like I said in my other videos, don't ever really like to buy here. We want to wait until it's fair value, undervalue, right? So if you're not in this stock yet and you want to be, then I would really recommend you wait for a pullback, even if it's a slight pullback. It may not be a very big one because right now you're going to be buying at overvalued territory. So your key support right here is going to be 903, key resistance 1168, and you can see here that GEVO does have a pattern of going overvalued and down into fair value. Although I do think if we do see some pullbacks, I think it's going to look more like this area here, where we have a slight pullback and bounce right back up. So this could be the slight pullback that we're seeing here. So tomorrow we could bounce right back up and go even higher in overvalued territory, which would even make me a little bit more cautious of getting in at this point, just because we are so overvalued. So I would wait again. I would if you're not in the stock yet, I would wait for a pullback. If you are in the stock, then it might not be a bad idea to take profits off the table, wait for it to pull back, hop back in, ride it up, because I do think it's going to go higher than what it's at right now. So anyway, that's a I just wanted to show you that it was really crazy today. I checked TD Ameritrade at about 6 or 6:30, and it was already up almost $3, in the pre-market. So let's go ahead and look at some of our other plays that we talked about in the Sunday night stock pick video. We talked about CLNE. This one here I got into today, and as you can see, not much action lately, but we are getting close to crossing over from bearish to bullish on that MACD indicator, and I think that we're due for a little pop, especially for tomorrow. And it's inauguration day, clean energy sector. I think that this is going to pop. Hopefully, we can bust through that 1188 resistance and continuously move forward. But I think it is due for a little spike in upward momentum here. Another one that we talked about was NIO. Got a buy signal on the 4-hour 180 day. And you see here we're getting closer and closer to crossing over from red to green. So I'm going to check this one out. I've been waiting on a buy signal. I think this would be a really good play early morning pre-market to ride up and hopefully get back into the upper 60s, or maybe even bust through the 60s and get to the 70s. I know he had a price target of, I think it was $68, but you know what? Tomorrow, I think EV and clean energy are going to go wild, and I think we're going to see a lot of stocks run up. So other than that, guys, that is all I have for tonight's video. Like I said, if you got any value out of today's video, hit the like button. And again, if you enjoy our content, please subscribe to the channel. We're continuously just trying to grow. We're over 60 subscribers now, so we're trying to get to 100 by the end of the week. So if you're not subscribed yet and you enjoy our content, please do so. Other than that, we will catch you in the next video.